David was confused with Orena. One Orena, after everything, I demand to call him. When you don't do that, say make you disappear. According to the voice note with this one, the thing don't correspond. Now you got him, or so if now you they talk to bring something tangible. Because now Nigeria confused right now. See David into your town. Confused. I mean, so they give Ona 24 hours to tell us the real truth. If not, we're gonna keep on our wahala from one place. Can we go meeting or can we start it to be boy? We not did there because we get bigger thing to follow for this year. Okay. You understand what I mean now? So I give her 24 hours, but I don't get any better thing to give us online. We're gonna not come online again. Because now we don't confuse.
Praise God. Have you seen what I'm saying? Now the guy, he said he's confused. This is what I will say. This is my part 2 for welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie from Spain. And this is what I was saying. This is my part 2 uploaded concerning this saga that is going on social media. I just decided to put on this one for you guys to see. So, as I was saying, this is not what we need. Look at the shame and disgrace you have brought to the Christendom, Mr. Mike, Pastor. Let me call you Brother Mike. Brother Mike, please stop all this. The Nigerians, they can't believe you anymore. Is the pastor Apostle man go to Nigerians and start bribing? Does he bribe this guy now? Nigerians now, they now know the truth for themselves. You know, as you said, you have evidence. Whatever evidence, why will you be keeping and recording things? If not, because in future you know what to do, you know what you are planning. Why? You don't pay evil for evil. Please go to the higher authority. Let them solve this thing with you accordingly, peacefully. Let them be peace. Jesus Christ came for peace, not for war. Not for war. You know the right thing to do. You know Apostle man very well as you claim. And you know the man that Apostle man will fear. Have you gone to his father to tell his father or his mother? Have you gone to the other men of God? The Apostle man will bribe the whole world. At least. Nigeria, there's no law in Nigeria. Go and do the needful. Settle this thing amicably and let there be peace among yourself. Why? Don't waste time and don't try to bring anything outside anymore, because it's affecting the new generation that are coming up to join the Christendom, and you are driving them back to the world. As if these pastors and men of God that we are looking onto, look at what they are doing. They are fornicator like us. They are cursing us. They are doing this. How do you want them to believe that Christ is not like that? We are preaching peace, not war. Go back. I'll just play this video for you to hear. That see how they are mocking you people. People that will come out to spoil the name of man of God. Please, thank you. If you have any comments, you can drop it on my comment box. Please, I'm not here for war. I'm one. I'm Apostle Joseph Suleiman's fans out there, and I've been following him for more than 8 years now. So please, if you know you love Papa, let us come out and speak. Don't let us hide. Hiding our faces, hiding ourselves is not the best solution. We should stop all this. Don't allow the blogger to take over the whole channel as if a man of God is the problem of Nigerians. We all are the problem of Nigerians. So making us stop this thing. You know they happen. I know it only they spoil people to stay at home, not to go to church again. And Christ is coming very soon. Please, let us do the needful. Let us do the right thing. Make them they bring. Why be so only we could bring ourselves? Come on, make them they cover na nyash now. If your papa self naked and you want to start shouting about your father nakedness outside, you are a bad son. You are a bad son. You are a bad daughter. You cover your father nyash for people not to laugh at him. We Christians, we can cover na nyash. Now on too much for internet. Now on too much for social media. Now only on a day social media. Now on a day. Today, pastor. Today, a man of God. Tomorrow, Adeboye. Another one, Bishop. Another one, Suleiman. Today, Abiodun. Waiting. who no get sin, who no get shame for body. Make una cover una shame now. Make Christian, make una rest now. Make una pray for the growth of Nigeria, make Nigeria better. Wetin be una problem? Abeg una, make una stop this one. Una dey see other religion, dey come here, dey shout about their people. Make una dey learn na. I greet una, make una stay well. Bye bye.